All right, this is the 8th page of the week 2 math section. So on the front was the percent application. On the back is going to be a little bit more practice. So it says, Anderson's art supply store has created a price list. Look over the price list and answer the questions below. So we have some colored pencils, a dozen for $7.88, a paintbrush, sketch pencils, some erasers, a paint palette, and a sketchbook. So, the first question says, a customer comes along, a customer comes in looking for items to get started painting. Ariana offers her a paint palette, a paint palette, so one of these bad boys, a sketchbook, and then a paintbrush. So she tells the customer that if she buys all three, she will give her a 15% discount. Approximately how much will she save? So, well, how much is she going to spend if she gets all three? Well, if she gets all three, well, that would be add up the cost. So $10.50 plus $24 plus $16.12. So all three together, that would be $50.62. Now, she's going to be given a 15% discount. So, how much is that discount going to be? Well, parts equals percent times whole. Parts equals percent. How much of a percent is it? 15% discount, which is how much as a decimal? 0.15. 0.15 times the whole. Well, how much is she going to pay? $50.62. So, she's going to be given a discount of 15%. So, that's 15% of $50.62. So, she's going to be saving $7.50. Well, it's 59. $7.59. That's how much she's going to save. Okay. How much will her total bill be, not including the tax? Well, originally, she was going to pay the original price, which was $50. The original price was $50.62. Now she's going to pay $7.59 less. So how do I figure out what the new price will be? Well, this is that's the original. Okay. The discount is $7.59. What do I do between them to find her final cost? Well, I'm going to subtract them. So I got $50.62, and I'm going to take away $7.59. And so she's going to pay $43.03. But be careful, okay? Because that's without tax. Without tax. So there's number 5. Okay. Number 6. Part of Ariana's earnings are based on a 5% commission rate. At the end of the day, Ariana earned $14.98 in commission. How much did Ariana sell that day? So, part equals percent times whole. Now, what did they give us? Well, let's see. They gave us a 5% commission, right? So they gave us 5%. At the end of the day, she earned $14.98 in commission. How much did she sell that day? Well, she earned $14.98 for the entire thing, for the entire amount of sales. So is $14.98, is that a part or is it a whole? Well, it should be the part because that right there is how much she earned per how much sold. So it's going to be $14.98. $14.98 is her part. That means whole must be an unknown value. What can you write for an unknown value? A variable. All right, so let's form our equation. Our equation is going to be $14.98 equals 5%, which is 0.05, times the whole, which is x. So there's my equation. How do I get x by itself? How do I solve for x? I need to undo multiplication by dividing both sides by the coefficient, the number in front of the variable. 0.05 divided by 0.05, that's 1. And we're left with 1 times x, which is just x. On the left side, we're left with 14.98 divided by 0.05. And so she gets, it says 299.6. So how much did she sell that day? Well, she sold $299.60 worth of products. So that was number 6. Okay. Number 7. Mr. Jamison, an art teacher, would like to purchase enough supplies to get the class stocked. He picks up 8 dozen sketch pencils, 6 dozen colored pencils, and 3 dozen art gum erasers. If the sales tax is 8%, approximately what will his bill be? So, how about we start off by seeing what he's purchasing, okay? So, he's purchasing 8 dozen sketch pencils. So, here's the sketch pencils. He's purchasing 6 dozen colored pencils. And then he's purchasing 3 dozen art gum. So 3 of these. So let me go back over that. So 8 dozen sketch pencils. So 8 of those. 6 dozen colored pencils. So 6 of these. And then 3 dozen art gum erasers. So 3 of these. So the first thing we must calculate is how much the total he will pay before tax. So I'm going to show that right here, okay? Let me clear all this. And he's going to get 6 of the colored pencils, which is $7.88. Okay. He's also going to get 3 of the gum erasers, which cost $6.54 each. And then he's also going to buy 8 of the sketch pencils, which cost $4.60 for a dozen. So let me show that again, because this is what he bought in total. He bought 6 boxes of colored pencils. He bought 3 boxes of the art gum erasers. And then he bought 8 boxes of the sketch pencils. So in total, he's going to spend $103.70. That's how much he's paying in total. All right, now there's going to be an 8% tax rate applied to that. So I'm going to figure out how much this total will be. Now, I like doing a little bit of a different method that I'm going to show right here. So I like showing this all at once. So if it's asking me for the total final cost of something, I know that I need to pay 100% of this, right? That's how much I must pay. It's not on sale. There's no discount. I need to pay 100% of that cost. And now I'm going to pay 8% more because that's how much the sales tax is. So how much percentage am I going to pay of that price? Well, this translates to me paying 108% of the whole $103.70. So, what does 108% mean? 1.08. What does the word of mean? That means multiply. What does $103.70 mean? $103.70. So, from there, I need to just multiply this out to get my total. So I'm gonna pay a 1.08 times 103.70, and so I'm gonna pay $111.99 .996, but that 6 makes that 99 round to 100, so it's not going to be 111, it's going to be $112.00. So that's how much I'm going to pay. So that is my total cost with tax. So total with tax. All right, so that was number 7. Number 8, the last customer of the day is a loyal customer who brings in a $15 off coupon. She purchases. Okay, let's go through this again. Um, so, so she purchases 2 paintbrushes. So, paintbrushes, 2, and then she purchases 1 dozen colored pencils. So that's just 1 box of colored pencils because each one carries a dozen. So just 1 of these. And then she purchases 1 sketchbook. So let's calculate how much she spends. So we're looking for the total, of course, right? So what percent did she save by using her coupon? So um, she got 2 paintbrushes, so 2 paintbrushes, and each one was $10.50. And she also purchased 1 of the she bought 1 dozen colored pencils, and so 1 dozen colored pencils, $7.88. 1 box because each box has a dozen, and then she bought 1 sketchbook, so just 1 of the sketchbooks, which is $16.12. So her total money spent, she spent $45. Okay. Now, what percent did she save by using her coupon? Well, this right here is the whole. Right? Now, if she gets 15%, $15 off, then we're trying to figure out how much she saved when she used her coupon. So she's going to pay $15, which is the part, equals the percentage, I'm going to call it P, out of the whole. And how much was the whole? The total was $45. Solve for P. divide by both sides by 45. And so on the right side, 45 on top, 45 on bottom, that's a 1. And p times 1 is just p. On the left side, 15 divided by 45, that's 1/3. So we get 0.33333333. So 0.333 forever. So how do you write that as a percentage? It's going to be 33.3%. So that's how much she saved. Using her coupon, of course. Okay, that was number 8. And then that was the back page. So this was the 8th page in the packet. Okay, I'm gonna stop this video and then work on the last one.